Here's a 2018 Cadillac XT5 crossover. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, smart device navigation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.